In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send messages from a Facebook page using Meta Business Suite. We'll walk through exactly where to click and what each option does. So by the end, you'll be comfortable replying to people on Facebook, Instagram, and even WhatsApp, all from one place. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. If you're already logged into Facebook, it should load your business tools automatically. If not, you may be asked to sign into your Facebook account first. Once Meta Business Suite opens, you'll see your main dashboard with an overview of your page's activity. Before you start messaging, it's important to make sure you're using the correct Facebook page. In the top left corner, look for the profile dropdown. Click on it, and you'll see a list of pages and profiles you manage. Select the page you want to use for messaging. This step is crucial, especially if you manage multiple pages so that you don't accidentally reply from the wrong one. Next, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Inbox. This is the central hub where all your conversations are stored. It may take a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of messages, but once it opens, you'll see different sections for each channel. Along the top of the inbox, you'll notice options for Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Start with Messenger if you want to send or reply to messages that come through Facebook Messenger. Click on Messenger and you'll see a list of conversations on the left and the selected chat in the middle. From here, you can type a reply at the bottom, add emojis or attachments if needed, and then hit send. All of these messages will be sent from your Facebook page, not your personal profile. If you also manage an Instagram account that's connected to your page, you can handle those messages here too. Click on Instagram in the same inbox menu. This section is for Instagram direct messages. Just like with Messenger, you'll see your conversations and can reply directly from the screen. Make sure your Instagram account is properly linked in your business settings, otherwise you might not see any chats here. Finally, if you use WhatsApp for your business, click on WhatsApp. Before you can send messages, WhatsApp needs to be set up and connected to Meta Business Suite. Once it's configured, your WhatsApp conversations will appear in this tab, and you can respond to customers just like you do on Messenger and Instagram. And that's it. By using the inbox inside Meta Business Suite, you can manage all your page messages in one place, saving time and keeping your communication consistent across platforms.